Namaste. We're going to practice Kapalabhati, which is a pranayama and also one of the Shatkarma Kriyas, one of the cleansing practices. Kapalabhati is a sinus cleansing, sinus freshening, and it involves a pretty forceful exhale with a snap of the belly to force the air out of the lungs with a very passive inhale. So you don't have to worry about the inhale. It sort of takes care of itself. This breath is Vishamavriti. It's an uneven breath. It can be practiced with moderation, just taking it slow, in which case it's pretty suitable for anyone. It can be practiced a little more vigorously. That should be worked up to. You should take your time to take it to that more intensive point. And relatively safe if practiced with awareness and consideration of where you are. It does have that sinus cleansing properties. It can be a good preparation for other pranayama because of that sinus cleansing, and it's handy to have a tissue nearby because it may help clear your sinuses. So, and the idea is to just snap the belly back with force, using that abdominal wall. Snap the belly back on the exhale. Inhales take care of themselves. And if you lose the rhythm at any point, stop, take a breath, start again. And what else? You want it to be isolated, the snap of the belly. So if you're feeling a lot of movement in the shoulders and in the body, that pause and get back in touch with the rhythm of just isolating the abdominal muscles to snap that breath out. There's not a lot of movement otherwise, but that can be a challenging thing to get the feel of as you're beginning to practice. So take your time and go slow in your beginning. There are things you might narrow the back of the throat, that ujjayi, get that ujjayi sound as well. Of course, closed mouth, and you can reach arms up and pull them down. I find that distracting, and if you're just beginning your practice and you find that distracting, just sit. So begin, and we'll do 3 rounds, 10 to 15 breaths in each round to start. Feel your breath, get in touch with your breath, let it be nice and full. You can practice eyes open or eyes closed, maybe just soft gaze, a little downward. And take a nice big inhale. And then breathe naturally between rounds. And again, inhale. Breathe naturally. And we'll do one more round. Take a nice inhale. And let your breath be natural. Sit with it a moment. Shanti.